Hello everyone, today we'll be deploying Superset application using the Remix feature offered by Toystack. Superset UI is going to look something like this, which is basically a data visualization and exploration platform. So once you log into the Superset application, you're going to see that UI, and when you click on Remixes, you can rightly find Superset under it. You can click on clone and start cloning the Superset application. You can update the access permission and install the Toystack application. And once you select the repository Superset, you can see the repository has been cloned. Now you're going to configure and activate the repository, and you're going to pass the right port number and pass env variables, and also choose the $20 plan to use Superset application. Once the plan is activated, you're going to go to the settings and pass the env variables. Env variables have nothing but the port number and the database details. So I've created a database connection using Toystack itself. So I'm passing the host name and the password provided, and then click from deploy from branch and select the master branch and choose the deployment validity and then deploy. So you can see the build logs and also the URLs once the application is deployed. And this is the login page. Once you log in, you can find the Superset UI, something like this.